Hi, I'm Kat Miranda, Customer Development Executive at Unilever Food Solutions. Today, we'll be cooking chicken caldereta using Knorr chicken broth. Okay, so today, makikita po natin ang ating chicken caldereta and how easy it is to use Knorr chicken broth base. Okay, so to start, i-on na natin yung ating stove. Okay, so painitin lang natin siya ng konti. Ilagay na natin yung ating oil. So pag mainit na po yung ating oil, pwede na natin i-add yung ating onions. Then we'll add our garlic. Isutay lang po natin siya hanggang lumabas yung aroma and flavor ng ating onion and garlic. Okay, so pag medyo nag-brown na po yung ating onion and garlic, we can now add our chicken fillet. So ito po is chicken thigh fillet. I-add lang natin. Haluin lang natin siya para ma-ensure yung sides ng chicken natin is talagang nag-brown na. Now na nag-brown na yung ating chicken meat, we can now add our water. So for this dish, nag-add lang ako ng 200 ml ng water. Habang naluluto siya, i-add na natin yung ating chicken broth. And then, pwede na nating idagdag din yung ating tomato sauce and our tomato paste. So, ilagay lang natin lahat para hayaan nating ma-absorb nung meat, yung flavors nung ating mga ingredients. I-add na rin natin yung ating vegetables, which are yung carrot natin and yung ating potatoes. So, once we put everything in, hayaan lang natin siya mag-simmer siguro for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yung Knorr broths po, it's made from real meat. So, matagal na pinakulo ang meat, whether it's pork, it's beef, or chicken, para ma-ensure na yung lasa ng dish nyo will be given a consistent and meaty flavor talaga. Okay? And actually, itong Knorr chicken broth, very versatile din yan. Kasi, hindi lang siya ginagamit sa mga dishes na masabaw, pwede rin siya sa mga masarsa, katulad nitong caldereta. So after 10 minutes, i-check na natin yung ating caldereta. So actually, malasang-malasa na yung ating caldereta. Just to finish off the dish, ilalagay na lang natin yung ating bell peppers. So yan, actually mabilis na lang yan. Siguro simmer for another 1 minute. Then we have our chicken caldereta. So here we have our chicken caldereta made with Knorr chicken broth base. Try nyo lang and taste the meaty difference.